Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So on your Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, when you try to search for online templates, so when you click on File and when you go to More Themes, and when you try to search for online templates and themes, this option is grayed out. Even in Word, when you try to, in Word or Excel, when you search for more templates, when you want to search online templates, this option is grayed out. Now, if this is what is happening, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now, you can click on File in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. You can click on File and then you can go to Accounts and then click on Manage Settings. And this will open your privacy settings. And then scroll down and here you can see Connected Experiences. Now you have to turn on all the connected experiences. So start from the bottom, all connected experiences. Put a check on turn on all connected experience and then put a check on turn on experiences that download online content. If this is unchecked, check it. Also turn on experience that analyze your content. If this is unchecked, you can check it and then click on OK. You can, and once you make changes, you have to restart your Word, Excel, restart your Microsoft Office applications. So if you don't, you can even go to options and then you can go to privacy. Under the general tab, you will see privacy. Click on privacy settings and then you will find the same option. Let me restart my Word first. And you can open your Word or Excel or PowerPoint and you can go to File and Options and then under General go to privacy settings and you can cross check 1, 2, 3. All connected experience are checked. So you have to make sure that these 3 are checked and then click on OK. And then if it's telling you to restart your Word or Excel or PowerPoint, just restart it. Close all the Office application after you make changes. Close all your Office application and then you can open it once again and let's try to find more templates. And here right now you can see right now the search for online template option is highlighted, so I can type over here. So I will search for nature and I should be able to see all the templates online. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.